What if your outreach system could automatically validate leads, send personalized emails, track replies, follow up intelligently, and update your CRM without you touching a single thing? Hey, I'm Rahul Joshi, and in part 1, we'll build everything from triggering the workflow to sending the first AI-generated email. Let's get into it. Step 1. Manual workflow. Trigger. When clicking Execute Workflow, this node manually starts the workflow. It's mainly used for testing or running the outreach process on demand. Step 2. Retrieve lead records from Google Sheets. Google Sheets. This node fetches all lead records from the outreach automation sheet. It pulls details like email, company name, contact person, and booking status. Next, validate lead. Data payload IF node. This node validates lead data using an email format check. Valid leads continue in the workflow, while invalid entries are routed for logging. Step 4. Log invalid leads to Google Sheets. Google Sheets. This node stores invalid or incomplete lead records in a separate sheet. It helps maintain data quality and prevents broken outreach attempts. Step 5. Filter for booked leads if node. This node checks the booking status field. Only leads that are not already booked move forward for outreach email generation. Step 6. Generate personalized outreach email AI agent, GPT-4o. This node generates a personalized outreach email in HTML format. It uses lead context like company, industry, and role, and outputs subject and body as JSON. Step 7. Parse AI email, output code node. This node cleans the AI response by removing formatting noise, safely parsing JSON, ensuring valid subject and HTML body. This prepares clean data for Gmail sending. Step 8. Send initial outreach email via Gmail. This node sends the AI-generated email to the lead. It also captures the Gmail thread ID for reply tracking. Step 9. Wait before thread. Check wait node. This node pauses the workflow for a defined period. It gives the recipient enough time to respond naturally before checking replies. Step 10. Fetch sent email thread from Gmail. This node retrieves the full Gmail thread using the thread ID. It allows the workflow to inspect whether the client has replied. Alright, so at this point, we've validated our leads, filtered out booked contacts, generated a personalized AI outreach email, sent it through Gmail, and even set up reply tracking with a smart delay. In part 2, we'll take this even further. We'll detect replies, update booking statuses automatically, send intelligent follow-ups, and finally mark leads as booked or declined inside Google Sheets.